is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one. This is not it. We got one here. This is ABC Ayam Bawang. This is a, what do you call it? Mi Kwa. So that means it's a noodle soup. And this was sent to me by Fervengi out of Australia. Thank you so much. She sent me so many cool varieties. I'm really, really appreciative of that. And so we are going to cook this sucker up as it's what I do. So you just add everything into the cup. We're gonna add the noodle. Oh, that's messy. Not too bad, but yeah, it has a included fork. I'm in the kitchen, I don't need that. So here is some onion. Yeah, Ayam Bawang. What does it mean? Ayam means chicken. Bawang means onion. Onion chicken flavor. Noodle soup from Indonesia. It's very standardy kind of flavor, I would call it. Yeah. There we go. There we are. And dump everything in. There's other stuff I need to do. I mean, I've got to spend all this time home. I'm more than happy to. My kiddos aren't feeling well. But I need to do a new music list, like completely all new stuff. I just go to this website, Epidemic Sound, and due to a partnership that I have with a YouTube partnership program dealy deal, I get access to that music. So if you look up like Epidemic Sound or Epidemic Music Library, that should probably... I get a lot of people asking, so where's this music you're using coming from? That's it. Alright. So we'll actually just do that. I'm going to shove that over there, and we got 3 minutes. So what are we going to talk about for 3 minutes? There's got to be something useful to talk about. Gosh, I don't know. Cheeseburgers? I don't really like burgers. It's kind of like you take a steak and make it the consistency of baby food. I don't even like steak. It's like, what's your favorite food? What's your favorite animal? Oh, yeah. What's your favorite animal? We've been watching this show called Love on the Spectrum. I've got 2 sons who are on the spectrum. And it's like basically matchmaking for, you know, older kids who are on the spectrum. I guess they're older people at that point. Not kids. The kid's a somebody. Anyway. It's a good show. You should check it out. It's pretty neat. Anyways, my favorite animal is the slow loris. They're like little. They have huge eyeballs, like freakishly huge eyeballs. They look really cute. I guess they're endangered, or they just don't like being in captivity. I don't know what the deal is, but generally it's frowned upon. Very exotic animal. Yeah. So that's my favorite and favored animal. So now you know a little more about me. What else? I don't know what we're gonna watch now. We were watching, like, what do you call that? Hey, don't hit the laptop, okay? You be nice. You'll be nice. I know you don't feel good, but you'll be nice. But yeah, I want to make something fancy for dinner on the cheap, but I'm trying to think of what. We make pizza a lot. We tag team a lot of stuff. So like I'll make the dough and all that, and she'll garnish the dough, as it were. I'll put the pie in the oven, take the oven out, take it out, and all that. Kind of like do our own parts of it. It's nice. Nice. Make a pizza. Yeah, it's nice. Now it's sunny again. So, hey, are you hitting that laptop?
No.
What are you doing? Nothing. Sounds like you're whacking the laptop. Don't whack the laptop, okay?
Okay.
That's trouble. You don't want to whack the laptop. Don't whack the laptop. This will have a fizzy beverage. This is a mango tango. Alright. Well, once I'm done. Now, simmer down out there. Simmer down now. Simmer down now. Okay, here's our noodle soup. Onion. Very curious. And it's in a clear vessel. I'm going to tell you right now, that freaks me out. I don't like clear vessels. Onion chicken kind of has a little bit of a, what do you call it? A note. I think he is whacking the laptop. That's how they get the laptop to disappear. You don't want the laptop to disappear. You like the lappity-toppy. Simmer, Miles, simmer down. Goodness gracious. We'll see how it goes. All right. So here's what our noodle zuppa looks like. What are you doing over there?
I'm getting marbles.
Okay, you gonna draw some?
Yeah.
Cool, do it. Alright, so let us. I need the choppity chop. That's in there, okay. So I'm just gonna go like this. And then go like this. There you go. And I've got some Ayam Bawang. There's some onion. And then I've also got a way of bonking the keely there. Do a little bit of seeds. Some seeds. And I also have some. God, it really can't decide what kind of lighting we have coming into our window. Oh, biscuits is right. Fried onion. And then we got a little bit of crushed red pepper. That kind of rounds it all out. Yeah, most people, I would guess, equivocate Indonesia with mie goreng. That's not mie goreng. There's other things that you can get that are not mie goreng. But that's okay, because things that aren't mie goreng are good as well. Go about like that. Turn it on. There you go. Rotato, do your stuff. sweat it, buddy. Alright, thanks again to Ferengi for shooting this one over all the way from Australia, and it's one that comes from Indonesia. The next one you're gonna see is this 35th anniversary Ace Cook Super Cup Yakisoba Negi Shio that came in a Zenpop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code The Ramen Raider, get yourself a discount. And yeah, that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment in your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye. I pushed the button.